Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, I'm looking at AMC and APE. We're going to check out the technical analysis for AMC. I got an update for you guys. We're also going to check out APE as well. And then we're also going to look at how AMC is not going bankrupt. How I think Robinhood is spreading FUD and trying to shake you out of your positions. We're also going to look at how they tried to short us down and they are losing control of this stock. I'm going to show you proof of that and how good we recovered and how strong AMC looks. Guys, I think we are closer to ever than seeing a massive move. But until that day comes, we're going to go day by day on the charts. So let's go ahead and check out the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on.
What is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, I'm going to be looking at AMC. I might briefly look at APE as well. And also, we're going to check out this bankruptcy filing for AMC. Apparently, Robinhood said AMC has filed bankruptcy. We all know that's not true, but we're going to look at that as well. So, guys, basically, off of the technical analysis, AMC is looking beautiful. She is showing extreme strength. There's been a huge amount of buy orders coming in. Things are looking really good for AMC. As you guys can see, AMC starting to recover. APE is up 3% on the day and pushing up. I think APE is going to continue to push up. It's forming this beautiful rounded bottom, this beautiful cup and handle formation, double bottom formation. As you guys can see right here, here's one bottom, here's your second bottom, or here's your cup, and then here's going to be your handle. Once we get above this $1.75 breakout range, you will see APE start to push to the upside. And as you guys can see on the bigger picture, APE had this beautiful run up to the upside, and now it's having this beautiful rounded bottom. And once we get above this major resistance here, we're building out a beautiful base here. And once we get above this major resistance, you will see APE move to the upside and get to higher prices. That is why it's building out this base right here, and it's going to move up. And again, it had that beautiful falling wedge, which is a bullish continuation pattern, telling us we're going to move to the upside. Then this is the falling wedge that it was in, and now it's going to continue to move to the upside. So I do think APE is going to be bullish. Let's go ahead and check out AMC. So I did a little bit more technical analysis on AMC, and guys, AMC is looking ridiculously bullish, okay? Ridiculously. So we broke out of that ascending triangle. We had that little bit of pullback, and now we are already recovering. We didn't even get nearly as far down as I thought we would have from that rising wedge. So this is absolutely beautiful. The rising wedge was right here, guys. I took it off of the screen. I go ahead and have it on here still. As you guys can see, this small rising wedge. We did not get as much pullback as I was looking out, and now we are making a consolidation pattern of above this 550 range. Now, we do have this ascending triangle in play. As you guys can see, we'll go ahead and look at it on a trading view. We have this ascending triangle, or this ascending triangle right here marked in yellow in play. So this is a bullish structure, as you guys can see. And if we can get above 575, that 575 breakout range, AMC could easily go to $6.15 very, very easily. And if we can get above that $6.15 level, you could see a significant push to the upside for AMC. Now, as far as this goes, I do think we are getting close to a critical level, but day by day, I'm going to just cover the charts and the price action as it comes. But what I'm looking at, shorts are losing control. They are hurting extremely bad. The economy is going down, and you better believe with all of this money losing billions of dollars, with the cost of borrow being so high, AMC being so hard to get a hold of, they are spending a premium to short this stock near the lows, and it makes no sense. They are trying to stop a short squeeze, and they are desperate. And you better believe they are hurting right now. Hurting. So guys, I do think we are close to a critical breaking point in my personal opinion, and AMC could take off at any time. But until that time, I'm just going to follow the track and follow the basics until we get that extreme price action and then go from there. So what I'm looking for as of now is to see us break above that 575 and then push to that 615 level. Again, we have extreme confluence right here because we have this rising wedge. So we have this ascending support and resistance, and then we also have this horizontal support and resistance. When those areas meet and give you confluence, you know that's going to be heavy support and resistance. So we're going to go ahead and probably hit our head in that. But if we can break through that, we could see a nice push to the upside. Now, if we don't, obviously we're going to get rejected and probably consolidate in this and then build a base and move to the upside. But I'm in the camp that earnings is going to be really, really good for us, and it's going to show the shorts even more. Now that they're getting beat up in the court case, they know that this is going to have to take longer, and now that these good earnings are about to come out, I'm in the camp that it's going to be extremely bullish for us. And what I'm looking for is either a push up pre-market or a big push up in one day to have us get to these higher ranges, consolidate, and then take off. I think that's going to how it's happened. I think we're going to get a nice push up all in one day. We're building a huge base here at this 550 level, not going back down, and then we're just going to push up probably from earnings, push us up to these higher levels, and then consolidate for a few days and then take off. That is the type of situation that I think is going to happen. And then once we get into this type of zone where shorts are going to be forced to capitulate, these smaller hedge funds, especially because they've been doing this way too long, and it is just too long and too much money, especially for these smaller funds. It's going to start a domino effect, getting the bigger hedge funds involved, causing a cascading liquidation event. That is the type of scenario that I is thinking is going to occur for AMC. So based off of the technical analysis, guys, like I'm saying, I just want to break above this 515, 575 region, see us push up to that 615 region. Again, if we can get above that region, you could see a significant push to the upside. If not, we'll get rejected, consolidate, build a base, and then start moving to the upside. On the macro, you guys already know how I feel. AMC is breaking out of this massive falling wedge. This is beautiful. You couldn't ask for anything more. On the monthly time frame, again, we're about to get this bullish cross on the monthly time frame, and we had the bullish continuation of the falling wedge, which is a bullish continuation pattern. We have upside, then you have your falling wedge, and then you have another bullish continuation. I show you this, guys, all the time, but just for the guys who are new, you guys can see this, but it's a bullish continuation pattern, letting us know that we're going to continue moving to the upside. As you guys can see, this is a classic falling wedge that AMC is in, and that's what we're doing right now. So as far as the macro is concerned, I do believe higher highs are in the future for AMC. Let's go ahead and look at the option chain and some of the data and see what we're looking at as far as that is concerned. So as you guys can see, as normal, as per standard, if we get above that $6 range, again, you could see a significant push to the upside due to gamma on the option chain. If you guys go ahead and look and take a little bit closer look, if we can get above and hold that $6 range, we have a clear gamma ramp all the way up to $12, $10, $12. Very, very easy. You see this $11 level right here and this $10 level, very, very easy to get to because we have plenty of calls expiring in the money. If we can get above that $6 to $7 or $6 to $7, $5, $6, $7 range, again, giving us enough gamma to push to the upside. So we could see a nice push from that. Also, once new FTD data comes out, guys, we can see that we can get new FTD data. But as of right now, we have for the 1st of this month, the 2nd of this month, and the 3rd of this month, FTDs coming due, and they will continue to be due. As you guys can see, we've been racking them up, and they were not going to cover them. They wanted the reverse split to go through, and I believe that they were going to use that to change the QSIP number and get rid of the FTDs. But now that that is not going through, these are going to become a huge problem for the shorts. Again, giving us more momentum on top of the short pressure, on top of everything else, which could send the stock to astronomical numbers that people could not even imagine. And a huge type short squeeze or a Tesla style type short squeeze, one of these two scenarios I do think is going to occur. Maybe it's going to be several smaller short squeezes like a Tesla short squeeze or two big type short squeezes like the barge pattern is saying, but I do think we're going to see multiple sustained moves unlike anything has ever seen, especially when this thing takes off, in my personal opinion. If you look at the cost of borrow, still holding up very nice, 170%. It's been staying at that on average, looking very good. Again, making it very hard for these shorts to keep doing this, and it's going up, as you guys can see. And the thing is, when they try to get all of these short shares to push it down, so again, they had about 800,000 short shares to push it down today, and they used 650, which also gives credence that they are becoming less and less and less effective at pushing the stock down. You guys can see actually what they did in real time. So they used those shares and they got us down to here. That was it. And look, we're already recovering. And you guys can literally see that because look at what time they started using them shares. They had those right in the morning, the 800,000. Now they have 650,000 as of an hour ago. I'll go ahead and refresh so we have the newest data. And as you guys can see, they used about 200,000, 250,000 shares, and that's all they were able to do. So this is becoming less and less and less and less effective. We watched them short them in the Discord live. So we literally seen this happen as they tried to short it down. And look, we are already recovering back to the upside, positive on the day, becoming less and less effective at holding us down. So guys, things look really, really good in my personal opinion. And as far as AMC going bankrupt, that is not true, okay? It is not true. This is false. I think they want to shake you out of your positions. I think they want to cause mass fear right now. I think they're extremely desperate, and this gives credence to that. First of all, this is illegal, so Adam Aaron shouldn't be standing for this type of stuff. But we already know Robinhood is crooked. They took the buy button, and now they are saying AMC filed bankruptcy. Between everything with the Visa card, the popcorn, and everything else, this is definitely far from true, guys. You could trust me on that, and I'm sure you can verify that AMC has not filed bankruptcy. But guys, this is basically everything I have for you. Again, short interest looking great, 26.62%, almost all-time high. Short interest, cost to borrow again going up, putting pressure on the shorts. FTDs coming due, and the technicals looking very, very nice. AMC looking stronger by the day. Macro playing out, guys. Our time is coming. So this is the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and remember, check me out on Twitter and Discord. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. I have a great community there talking about their trade, stocks, crypto all day long. So if you want to join us, go ahead and check it out. Linked in the comment section description below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.